2025 updated. How to change your TikTok region country location steps. Compliant. 1. Language. TikTok. Settings and privacy. Language. Add the target languages. 2. Content preferences. Settings. Content preferences. Choose interests in the target language. 3rd engagement reset. Clear cache, then follow, like, comment on creators from the target country. 4. Search habits. Daily searches with local hashtags and city names to train the algorithm. 5. SIM region signals. Set device, region format in phone settings to target region. 6. Location services. Turn off precise location if you want algorithm to lean on language engagement. 7. Time zone. Match device time zone to target region for prime time content. 8. Avoid TOS risk. Do not use banned workarounds or deceptive location spoofing. If this helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart fixes to common tech and gadget